Hi, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda, California. Hey, we've got a Monaco La Palma little diesel pusher motorhome here. So this slide out, the floor was completely rotted out. So we've removed the slide. We've put in a new floor, fabricated the new subfloor. We used a real high-end marine plywood, so this won't happen again, and sealed it up real nice. So now you can see the slides been put back in the coach. Our tech's in there putting all the cabinetry and trim and stuff back in, and then we'll hook up the slide mechanism and be able to pull it in, adjust and align the slide out, put all the trim and moldings in, and put the slide topper back on, get this coach cleaned up. It's 4 o'clock here at OCRV on Thursday. Customer will be here at noon tomorrow to take this camping for the weekend. So if you've got an RV repair, service, collision repair, paint, body, we're happy to help. You can visit us at OCRVcenter.com. You can call us at 714-630-3766. We look forward to helping you with all your RV repairs and needs.